Every year, I see how the vibrant colors of Holi transform into a pollution nightmare. It breaks my heart to witness our beautiful surroundings marred by chemical waste. The thought of innocent animals and plants suffering due to our celebration leaves me feeling deeply sad. We have made a conscious decision to celebrate Holi in a way that spreads love, kindness, and joy to everyone around us. Instead of using harmful colors that can disturb the balance of nature and harm plants, animals, and human health, we are choosing to share sweet and positive energy. Our message to everyone is simple yet powerful. Let's play Holi safely and responsibly, respecting the environment and all living beings. By embracing this approach, we not only protect our surroundings but also foster a deeper sense of community and goodwill amongst all. Happy Holi and eco-friendly Holi to everyone.